Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video today, I'm going to review this case from ArmadilloTek. It's their Vanguard series case. It is a heavy duty case. It will protect your phone. Will it show off the beauty? Nope. You can actually pick up this case from Amazon, which I will have the link in the description. I'm going to pull it up really quick. I want to shout out ArmadilloTek for actually sending this case to me for a review. We'll make sure that this case fits well and also that you can wireless charge. And this case will protect your beautiful Galaxy Note 10 Plus from drops. It has that hard plastic back. Compared to its competitors, it is priced really decent too. Let me bring up the price on Amazon really quick. Alright, so here's the case on Amazon. If you want to pause it, you can definitely do so. It is $18.98 for black. It has 3 different colors. $20.98 for the blue and also the orange. But I will have the links in the description. Like I said, you can definitely pick it up. The price is great, especially for the protection. He sent me the black and the blue on the video. I'm going to go ahead and install the black case. But I really might use the blue one some too. Again, it won't show off the beauty of your phone, but nice presentation. Boxes are great. But here's the case itself. Bam. That plastic is hard. Look at that. I like how it has the ridges on the sides. Gives you the extra grip. Check out the power button there. Bam. The cutouts at the top look great too. But let's see how this thing fits. You get this little warning here too. Now it is a 2-piece case. So here's the top piece of the case. Bam, let's show you how to install it. Just want to put it in the top piece first. Not too bad. You can start at the top, you can start at the bottom, wherever you want to start at. You just want to start somewhere. And you just work the case around. Now the corners usually on these cases are a little bit hard. But this one actually fits really well. And then you just want to make sure this is in on the sides. That wasn't too bad at all. Look, I mean, it is in there. Look at the lip action you get. So I don't worry about dropping it at all. This is a heavy duty case and actually fits really well. Gives you the extra grip. And it doesn't add that much bulk. Look at that camera cutout too. You have that little kickstand in the back, which is a little hard to get out, but bam. Look at that, ArmadilloTek. Put it down like this. Watch some Team 100 Friday night streams if you want to. But overall, this is a nice looking case. I'm going to put the kickstand back. But let's see how everything lines up and how everything works. The power button works good. Let's check the volume rockers. The volume rockers work too, easy to get to. As you can tell there. The bottom, everything lines up. The little cutout also lines up. Let's see how easy it is to get the pen. It is easy to get to the pen too, which is very important. Because I hate cases that it takes a while to get the pen out. The microphone lines up. Everything at the top lines up. This is a nice case. It's actually... Bam, look at that. You do get some of the glow up at the top. That's still pretty nice. Now let's see if you can wireless charge with the case on. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Alright, so I have my little charger here. Let's see if you can wireless charge. And there you go. You can see you can wireless charge with the case on. You don't have to worry about taking it off. Now, if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, I will have the links in the description again. That way you can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. More cases coming up really soon too. Let me know if any other videos you want in the description. If you haven't followed me on Twitter yet, Please do so at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.